Hi guys, it's Ben Heath from Lead Guru, and in this video I'm going to talk about 5 Facebook custom audiences that convert really well. So the first one on my list is add to carts. So people that have added something, if you're an e-commerce company, people that have added one of your products to their cart or multiple products to their cart, but not yet bought, is a fantastic custom audience to retarget. Now you can easily set that up within a Facebook ad campaign. You can create an audience that includes add to carts but excludes purchasers, and putting your ads in front of those people can make a massive difference, can deliver a fantastic return on ad spend, because if someone's added something to their cart but hasn't yet bought, doesn't mean they've decided not to buy your product. It could just be that they didn't have time when they first had a look. Maybe they got distracted. Maybe they wanted to check out alternative products, and now if you can put your ad in front of them, they'll be ready to buy again. It can act as a reminder. So we often see crazy return on ad spend from retargeting add to carts, particularly add to carts within, let's say, 14 or 30 days, a relatively short time window. You can see 10, 15, 20 even return on ad spend numbers from that audience. So that's one of the audiences that, if you're an e-commerce business, I would definitely be looking to retarget. The next Facebook custom audience that I'm going to mention is all website visitors. So obviously it's not as specific as add to carts, but can still deliver fantastic results, because all website visitors, let's say over the last 30 days, will include everyone that's visited your website, and people would have spent different amounts of time. Some people would have spent more time on your website. Some people will have visited more recently. Facebook knows all that information, and they can put your ads in front of people that are in a better buying state, that have visited your website within the last few days, that have spent a lot of time on it perhaps, and they can put your ads in front of those people. Again, it acts as a very good reminder and can get them to take that next step and go on to become a customer. They might just need a little nudge, all website visitors, or at least some people within that custom audience. So that's one of the ones I would recommend. So moving away from website custom audiences, one of the ones that we often like to target when we're running campaigns for our clients is a previous customer list. So if you've got a list of existing or previous customers, and let's say you're launching a new product or service, or perhaps you've got multiple product or service offerings, this can be a fantastic audience to advertise to, a fantastic Facebook custom audience to retarget. Because if someone's bought a product from you and they had a great experience, a high quality product, there's almost no one better to advertise your other products to than that person. Same applies with services. And again, of course, if you're launching something new as well, and it's related to your previous product or service, then those are the people that you want to know about it, because you're likely to get really good traction and reactivate a lot of customers by using that Facebook custom audience. Okay, next one is similar to a customer list, not quite as effective, but it's an email list. So these people may not be as involved in your company, may not be quite as responsive as a customer list, but you've likely got quite a lot more people on your email list, so it can often counterbalance that in terms of effectiveness. Now, your email list is a fantastic Facebook custom audience because you've started to develop that relationship with them. If they've been on your email list for a while, they'll have hopefully been receiving content from you. They'll have seen your stuff, seen your philosophy, seen the way you do business, and they're far more likely to buy from you as a result than cold audiences, the people that have never interacted with your business before. So retargeting an email list is a great Facebook custom audience to use, something I would definitely recommend including within a warm audience ad set in your campaign budget optimization campaigns. Okay, moving on from the email list, we've got high percentage video viewers. Now, I do a lot of video marketing, run a lot of Facebook video ads, so I have quite a lot of people that have watched, let's say 75%, 95% of one or more of my videos on Facebook. Retargeting people that have watched that much of a video can be very effective. It's a great Facebook custom audience, because if someone's taken the time to watch, let's say, 95% of a 4-minute video, they're obviously into whatever I'm talking about. They're interested. They didn't just flick off and move on to something else. So being able to market to that person, it shows that I'm really reaching my hyper-responsive prospects, the ones that are really likely to buy my products or services. And the same applies for lots of businesses. So if you're running Facebook video ads a lot, think about creating a Facebook custom audience out of people that have watched 75% plus, 95% plus of your video, and look to target those people. Now, that Facebook custom audience isn't necessarily as effective as the other ones I mentioned. Things like add to carts, previous customers are likely to deliver better results. but it's definitely worth testing, definitely worth including, because you can still achieve fantastic return on ad spends with those people. Now, if you're going through this video thinking, well, this all sounds great, but how on earth do you create a Facebook custom audience? Don't worry, I'll include a link in the video description to another video I've created, which is a sort of step-by-step walkthrough on exactly how you create them. So if you don't know the technical side of this video is more about strategy. If you don't know the technical side of creating a Facebook custom audience, then just go ahead and check that out. Another thing I'll include in the video description is a link to my Facebook Ads Mastermind group, which is a free Facebook group that you can join for free. There's 7,500 members right now. It's a fantastic online community full of people trying to get better results with Facebook advertising. And people ask questions, they get them answered by experts, by Facebook ads agency owners like me in there. So really, really good place. If you're looking for better results from Facebook, looking to connect with other Facebook advertisers, that is the place to do it. So click on the link in the video description, go ahead and join and get involved. We would love to have you. If this video has been useful, please give it a like. I always appreciate when people do that. Please leave a comment as well to let me know what you think, if you've got any questions, all that sort of stuff. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more Facebook advertising related content. I release these sort of videos and sort of long form detailed in ad account videos every single week. So yeah, you'll keep on top of things that way. Thanks guys, bye-bye.